Emily, what are we gonna do? You wanna go horseback riding? Where are the horses? I don't know. I think there's a maze here because usually at the farms they always have a maze. Yeah, probably. Or they have some cows or some chickens and stuff. Yeah, you're right. Okay, where are they though? Let's go ask the farmer. I wonder if Legacy has a new girlfriend. Me too. Yeah, but if you're gonna find out, don't be so spyish. Emily, you know I won't. I seen that you're gonna be spyish. You don't know that. Yes, I do. You're my best friend. I know everything about you. Okay, Emily. Bye. Bye. Bye.